Yo, what's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Assassin's Creed on your Chromebook. Before we start today's tutorial, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can hit 50,000 subscribers. When I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be releasing a very embarrassing video of me, so make sure to subscribe because we're really close. Also, make sure to go follow my Twitter, links in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, the link is always in the description. Anyways guys, I'm not going to waste any more of your time. Let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, please go to this site, which will be linked in the description below as always. And then once you're at this website, it lets you stream games right from your browser with absolutely zero lag and tons of FPS. So then what you want to do when you're on this site is click login up here. If you don't have an account, click join today, but if you do, click this button right here, then sign in. Now you're logged into your account. What you want to do, click the search bar up here, then type Assassin, and you'll be able to play all the Assassin's Creed games right here. You'll just have to connect your Ubisoft account, and then you'll be able to play all of them. You'll be able to play Assassin's Creed Unity, Assassin's Creed 2. You'll be able to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag Freedom Cry, Assassin's Creed 3, Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, my favorite, Assassin's Creed Row, Assassin's Creed Origins, Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Literally all the Assassin's Creed games that have came out are all on here for you guys to play. So yeah guys, this is basically how to play Assassin's Creed on your Chromebook. Enjoy! Yo, thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video, and if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below. I subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways guys, really hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry I wasn't using a webcam or a face in today's video. I currently don't have my phone, but I promise there'll be no more gameplay soon and you will see my face again. I promise nothing bad happened. Enjoy playing Assassin's Creed on your Chromebook, and yeah guys, have a nice day. Goodbye.